So you're ready to work from home, but where to find work from home jobs? How to get hired? I'll tell you how. Watch this video carefully. What's up everyone? I'm so happy to see you here. For those of you who are new, my name is Mani Karthik and I'm a blogger and entrepreneur from India. I used to work in the US and Middle East for about 10 years, but I got bored and decided to return back to India to pursue my passion in blogging. On this channel, I share everything that I've learned that make you smarter, richer, and a happier person. I hope you find the video useful. If you do, please subscribe to my channel so I can share more awesome information with you. So today's topic is how to find work from home jobs being in India. Where to look for these jobs, how to find them, and how to get hired. Before I start, I want to thank Rohit Chowdhury, one of our subscribers, for asking this question because I had asked on my channel in the community tab as to what video you'd like to see, and Rohit had mentioned that this is the question that he would like to see answered, so which is why I'm making this video. Thanks a lot for making that comment, Rohit. You too can ask me questions, so if you have anything to share with me, please let me know in comments. I'll answer them in the upcoming videos. So let's say you are skilled and you're ready to work from home. Where can you register and find these jobs? Let me share with you some of the ways that I know of. First of all, make sure that you add your profile on top freelancer websites like Fiverr. Fiverr is one of my favorite freelancer marketplace websites. A freelancer marketplace means a website where you can go in, search, and hire people based on their talent. So as a work from home person, what you need to do is to go into such websites like Fiverr, register, and add your profiles there. In the profile, you can tell things like what are your skills, how many hours you're ready to work, what are your expected hourly pay rates. Potential people who are likely to hire you will see your profile and hire you from there. But it's not easy like that. If you're a new member in these websites, it's going to be very hard for you to find jobs. The reason is that you are new there and there will be many others who might be offering the same service as you, but they have been doing it for a long time. Most of these marketplace websites like Fiverr have a rating system whereby people who hire you can also rate you for your services. So you need to understand the rating system effectively in order to get started. So just like the reviews on Amazon, when someone hires you and you deliver the work, they will rate your service. If you delivered a bad service, they will rate you low, and if you did a good job, they will rate you high. So those people who have been doing these jobs for a long time would have a lot of reviews already, and new members like you won't have enough reviews to show up in searches. So this is usually the reason why new members aren't able to find work from home jobs. But don't worry, let me share some tips by which you can get hired for work from home jobs even if you are a new member. So make sure your rates are competitive and cheaper than existing services. Let's say you're offering an article writing service and the top rated member on Fiverr is doing it for, let's say, $25. So what you should do is to undercut him and offer your services for, let's say, $15 or $10. This way, you will get the initial push by getting new projects and an opportunity to get good number of ratings. Your priority at this point of time, being a new member, should be to get maximum orders and good ratings. For this, you might need to sacrifice and offer your services at a lower price. But after a while, once you get enough orders and reviews, you can demand more price from your buyers. Until then, keep it low. The next thing you got to keep in mind is offer free extras. When buyers are looking for work from home services on freelance marketplace platforms, they are looking for the best person who will deliver them top quality job. And the existing services have a lot of reputation because of their ratings. Now, how can a new member like you attract new buyers? That's a big question. By offering extra services at no extra cost. So let me explain. Let's say the top member on Fiverr is offering article writing services, just like I mentioned earlier, for $25. You can offer the same service at the same quality at a lower price, but also by adding an extra free social media promotion service, or maybe an extra rewriting service or a proofreading service at no extra cost, right? It doesn't cost you anything more, but whenever a buyer compares your offer and the top rated member's offer, he will find your offer more enticing and might hire you. That's what we want, right? So essentially, new members like you have some of these luxuries by which you can get new orders, reducing price, offering extra services, etc. Existing top members cannot afford to do these. That's their disadvantage and your advantage. So make use of it. Now, also make sure that you advertise your services on all possible platforms where you can get work. Fiverr is a great place to start. Check out the link in the description where you can sign up and get started right away. But another place to look for is Facebook groups. There are many Facebook groups like startup groups, entrepreneurs groups, bloggers groups, business network groups, etc., where many members might find your service useful. I am part of some of these groups and I often find people looking for help with article writing, social media promotions, and the like, which are work from home jobs. But keep in mind that you should not go ahead and advertise your services blatantly soon after joining these groups. People won't appreciate it and it might come off in bad taste unless it is allowed to do so. So try to join these groups and see what's going on. What are these people discussing there? Then try to add value to these discussions by being helpful, like offer your services but in a different way. Give information that you know, help them first, then after a while when the context is right, pitch your service. Never go around copy pasting your services blindly. That is a sure shot way to be called a spammer. We don't want that, right? Now, apart from Facebook groups, there are many other freelancer marketplaces like Fiverr. I will link to them in the description. Go ahead and check them out. So there you have it. Few ways by which you can find and get hired for work from home jobs in India. This is not all, but this should be a good start for you to get started and start doing what you really love, which is working from home. Try it out and let me know if it helped. I hope you found the video useful. If yes, please go ahead and hit that like button for me. Thank you. See you in another video. This is Mani Karthik signing off. I hope you find the video useful. Please subscribe to my channel if you do so, because I can